friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make soya bean. You can see the soya chunks soaked in the water and some potatoes mixed up. I will make a curry. So come on, first of all, take out the soya chunks from the water. I will take them out, squeeze them off from the water, this type. Take it out. I have taken out the soya chunks from the water, squeezed it nicely. Now come on, let us start the recipe. While making the recipe, I will show you all the ingredients, what I have to use. Put some oil. Let the oil turn hot. I have taken 4 medium size onions sliced up. Oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the onions. I have taken bay leaves. This is darchini, cloves and green cardamom. This also I will put in. And fry the onions till golden brown. The onions are almost turned golden brown. I have crushed up some garlic and one onion. So this also I will put in. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put some dhania powder. Put some jeera powder. And brown the masalas nicely. The masalas are turned brown nicely. You can see the oil coming up on top. You can see it nicely. I have chopped 2 tomatoes. This also I will put in. And fry the tomatoes along with the masalas. Now put in the soya chunks. Mix it well. Put in the cut up potatoes. Put some salt to taste. I am using meat masala. You can see the meat masala. You can put chicken masala also, or otherwise if you all want to skip the chicken masala or meat masala, then too it's okay. I am putting this masala because it will give it a nice taste, nice flavor. And mix it well. Now I'll add some water. Cover it up and let it cook till the potatoes cook tender. Soya bean and potato curry is ready. Very spicy, hot, and very tasty, delicious to eat. The soyabean and potato curry is ready. How yummy it's looking. You can have it with rice, with chapatis. Thank you for watching my video.